Hello, everybody. Welcome. This is a small lecture on Azure Bastion. So, Azure Bastion is a service that is fully platform management. It's a platform as a service that you provision inside your VNet. Okay, so Azure Bastion, it provides secure and seamless RDP SSH connectivity to your VM directly in the Azure portal over SSL. So when you connect via Azure Bastion, your VM do not need a public IP address. Wow, this is very nice. It is very secure. So Bastion provides secure RDP and SSH connection to all your VM in your VNet in which it is provisioned. So using Azure Bastion, protect your VM from exposing RDP SSH port to outside world while still providing secure access using RDP. So with Azure Bastion, you connect to the virtual machine directly from the portal. Wow, you don't need any client RDP. Bye-bye. So let's do it, okay? So what we'll do first is that I'm going to create with the Cloud Shell a new resource group. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to reconnect and I will go in PowerShell. And that's it. And I'm going to create a new resource group. Okay, so it's very easy to do it. So this is the best way to create a resource group is do it with PowerShell. Okay, so let's create first this one. So new resource group. The name is my resource group. It will be in East US here. So it's created. And now let's create a new VM. Okay. So in this VM, I'm not going to put. I'm not going to select or select public IP address. Okay. I don't want it. So it's going to be new VM. The name of my resource group, the name of my VM, the location, the VNet name, the subnet name, and the security group name. Okay. So I will do enter here and he'll ask me for my credentials. So let's say Bill, for example, and let's put a password for Bill. Wow, it's amazing. And I'm creating just like this a VM only with PowerShell. I love PowerShell. So this VM is created without a public IP address. Okay, so now I will go on my VNet. Okay, so I will go here on my VNet when it will be created. Okay, and I will start to prepare my VNet to use Azure Bastion. Wow, amazing. So he's creating now my VM. So if I go here on my virtual network, I will see, of course, my VNet. Okay, it's here. Okay, it's been created. Now my VM is created. Wow, so easy. So let's go on my VNet here. And now let's close it and let's go to my subnet here. In my subnet here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an Azure Bastion subnet. Okay, so I'll create my subnet here and I will give a name for that. And the name will be Azure Bastion subnet. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to provide an address range. Okay, so just for your information, I'm in 192.168. Okay, here. So I'm going to create another one, and it will be in this situation, of course, this one. Wow, amazing. So there's a space here. So this will be my address space. This will be used by with my Bastion. So here he just created my subnet. It's amazing. So now I'm going to create a Bastion. So I will go here. I type Bastion. Here is it. And in this one, I will create a Bastion here. Okay, so it's very easy. So my subscription is this one, and I will use my resource group. Wow, so easy. And after, he asked me for the install details here. So the name. So I'm going to type Bastion here and my region. Okay. So my region would be East US, of course. And in my here, my blue network will be my VNet. It's so easy. And my subnet will be, of course, the Bastion subnet. This one. Wow, amazing. And after, the public IP address of the Bastion resources on IDP will be accessed over port 443. So you create a new public IP address, okay, and or you can use an existing one here. So here is my public IP address. Okay, so what I can do is here I will can create a new public IP address. So if I create here a new public IP address here, so I create new, this is the new one, and it will be a standard one. Okay, why? Because Bastion use only standard one, and assignment it will be static. I don't have any choice here. Okay, so I will do review and create here, and I do a create. And now the beauty of the project will be like this. So you will see it will be amazing. Now I will connect to my VM using my Bastion. So I will go here on my VM. Okay, so actually he's creating, so I can go directly here. I can go on my VM. So let's type here VM, so virtual machine, and I will go directly on the VM he created. And you know what? Yes, yes, you know what? I will go here on my VM and I will go in connect here and I will use Bastion. Ooh, this is fantastic. Okay, so when I click on Bastion, what is happening is that he will, when I keep here on Bastion, I will not open in a new window. Okay, so I will say I need to use Bastion here. Okay, and when I use Bastion, I will say, see, so I must wait a little, okay, because he's actually creating my Bastion here. So I must wait a little, okay. So let's go back to my VM and wait a little, and after my Bastion is created, I will connect with my Bastion, and it will open just in a tab here. So this is amazing. It's so funny and so clever. It's like when I connect on vSphere, for example, I can connect directly with the tab. I don't need any RDP. I don't need anything. I just use this Bastion. Of course, I don't have any public IP address on my VM, so I cannot connect to my VM. This is not possible. Okay, so of course, I will have to use my Bastion to connect it. Okay, so he's still doing the job here. So I see that he's deploying in progress my Bastion here. So see, created. Okay, so I think that in 7 seconds it will be created. So let's go back here to my VM and wait a little. So this is something quite new. Okay, you can have all information about, of course, Bastion. So if you go here and you type Azure, let's go live here, and you type Azure Bastion, that's it. You have all information about this product, okay? So Azure Bastion here, and you can see that he's using, fully managed RDP SSH access to your VM, and you just use a private IP to connect to your VM. So this is really quite amazing. So how's it working? You connect here by the portal. The portal connect in your subnet and will connect directly to the private IP address by the NSG, and the NSG of course has the 339 89 and 22 here on my VM, and that's really amazing. Okay, so yeah, he's still doing the job, so I think that it will be working in 7 seconds. Okay, so if I type, for example, here Bastion to see where is it. Okay, this is it. See, you can see the Bastion here, so you can see your properties. Okay, you can see that he's here Bastion, and we see that now my Bastion is created. I can see all the session here if I want here. So after working, I can see who is connected actually to this Bastion, the target resource group, the target host name, the target IP address, the protocol, and the target resource ID. Wow, this is amazing. I love it. So it's so nice that now Azure provide us a way to create this Bastion here. So still working. Hey, come on, man. So my VM, let's try to do it here, but I think it's not created. Yeah, see, so let's use Bastion here. And no, he's still doing the work. Okay, so we just must wait that he stops. He finished the creating of the bastion. Okay, so I think I want to wait with you. Okay, so just creating the work here. So yeah, it started at 7:32. It's nearly 8, so more than 8 minutes to create it. I think it will take maybe 15 minutes. No, oh, it's okay. Wow, he did it. Thank you. So let's go back here. Let's go back on my VM. Let's go and connect and use Bastion here. And I will use Bastion. Okay. So enter username on your viewer to connect to use Bastion here. So, oh, he said that it's still in filling. So maybe he hasn't seen that it was created. So my VM here, connect Bastion. Oh, that's it. Wow. This is amazing. So let's type my password. And now look at that. This is the beauty of the product. So now he will connect inside this. And this is something marvelous. See? And now I'm connected to my VM. Wow, I love it. So this is it. So thank you very much, and hope to see you in my next lecture. We're gonna talk about all new future of Azure security. Ciao, ciao. Take care. Bye. See you soon.